Hold it with both hands. You want to hold it out like that. Do your countdown and hit that button, okay?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ignition, flash!
It didn't parachute.
Well, I didn't go up very high either. Well, no, maybe not.
Doesn't look like it. That's about the height it was.
See, this is how we learn from our mistakes, Mia.
Yeah.
Pawpaw should have known that red thing was going to mess it up.
God, I'm gonna forget.
It's not food, buddy.
He said, I'll eat it. I'll eat plastic. It's good. So does this all
Is the camera still rolling?
Yeah.
Yep. It's been rolling.
Okay, you know how to do it. You're all ready.
I don't know if she can get the key in all the way.
She knows how to do it. Back up a little bit. Don't pull the wire. Look what you're doing. There you go. Push it down till you see the red light. All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ignite, blast off.
There you go.
He likes my jokes. Don't you? What's the name of your pup?
Buddy.
Hi, buddy. How are you? Would you like to say hi? Oh, a little scared? Okay. Okay.
He's good.
Oh, yeah.
He's scary.
Okay.
All right, we're all ready to...
Don't pull
How
back.
high does it go? Pretty high.
Let's go 800 feet.
It
It
hasn't
wasn't
been.
going quite that high.
Yeah.
Did you pull the wire loose?
I heard something.
Yeah, you
Okay, I'll stay right here.
did. Take the pen back out.
Don't want to have Grandpa going up in the air.
Come closer.
We're going
You've
through
been
his
raising
hat.
your granddaughter. That's a big job.
Yeah, it is. I didn't plan on it, but in a hindsight, I think it's a blessing. It keeps me young, you know,
I bet.
running around with her.
She seems like she's just a really nice girl. Done a good
Okay,
job.
put the
Well,
pen
thank you.
in. Don't back up. Far enough away. Push down. All right, give your countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Ignition.
ignition,
Blast off.
Oh.
Blast off. Uh-oh, we've got a malfunction going on here. Hold on, let's see.
I thought you were NASA.
What's her name again?
Me.
We got something come unloose. Back. Yeah, it fell off.
Oh, well, that's part of rocketry.
Buddy,
That's how you
Sit.
learn.
sit. Sit.
Happens all the time to the space shuttle.
Good boy. No,
They
sit.
have one. New space shuttles, they're going to go back to capsules.
Okay.
They are?
Yeah, they're going to, capsules are the most
Ready?
effective
Push down. They'll see.
reuse
Ready?
vehicles there are.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ignite, blast off.
All right.
Oh.
And there's the parachute. Awesome. Nice job, Mia.
All right,
Hey, that
run,
was
go get the
great.
rocket.